Welcome to my channel Furty's Cake and Sugar Art. Today I am going to show you how to make a cowboy hat. So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. So for the hat I am using this brown color fondant. So let's start. First I make like a ball shape. Now I'm starting. This is the top part of the hat. So I press it like this and here this side making it flat. So like this. So make it a little bit flat on this side. Okay, now the middle. And my finger slowly make it big and then press it here. It's very easy to make. So I keep it aside and roll the fondant. This one I'm making for a 6-inch cake, so it's almost 4.5 inch. It's done. So I place it here and place this. Okay. Remove excess fondant and then make it smooth. Yes, this is smooth. Then I'm going to place it. I use this one, I keep it here to dry. So for the drying, first I am using some corn flour here, so it will dry first and then place it here. Okay. And now I am using a little bit of water here. Using water here in the middle. And then place it here. Now I'm taking more fondant, the same color, and make a rope. I make it this big and then make it double and then start making the rope. So do it like this. Make it little bit more. Now I'm using tissue. Give it a nice shape. And this side as well. This is dry, but I keep it here because I'm going to paint this one, the dark brown, chocolate brown food gel, and this almond essence. So I make it like this liquid. Start painting with this brush, flat brush. Start from here. It's very easy to make, and if you need, you can give here the coating 2 times if it's one layer is not okay. I think I need 2 layers. So first I'm giving 1 layer and keep it aside to dry, then I will give the second layer. So I have to check when it's dry. Now I'm giving another layer. Let's see. I finished painting, so I have to wait another half an hour or 2 hours. I have to check how it's dry, then I will show you. My hat is ready, it's dry. So I remove them and remove this one from here. Yes, here it is. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.